Hello viewers, Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. How are you guys? Hope you are all on behalf of Master video based wishes and congratulations to all. Hello viewers, I have brought a new video in the channel. 13 shortcut computer key everyday needs to know in 2022 part 1 and Master video. I will explain the video in today how to do. Before starting the video, I would like to say that those who are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel and like, comment, share in another friend circle. So your great motivation this video comment inshallah. So start the video without delay. Stay with me. So friend, 13 shortcut computer key everyday needs to know in 2022. Function number 1, Windows key plus Control plus D, automatically new and running, working day by day, and desktop, laptop, others device. Okay, then Windows plus Control plus D, press the key, computer key or laptop key, Windows plus key plus D, automatically your all device is the highlight. Okay, mainly your Windows key plus Control plus D, new desktop mode in the previous and desktop is the hideable. Then your previous desktop is showing this is the any and running apps. Then the click cursor the mouse, then automatically in the showing of the computer. Function number 2, Windows key plus and Control switch the between virtual desktop mode. Okay, this is the virtual desktop mode and key type the element. Okay, this is the function number 2. Then the function number 3, Windows key plus M minimize the all apps. Then Windows key plus M minimize the all apps the running and the desktop mode. Then the function number 4, Windows key plus a number of from 1 to 9 open apps from the taskbar. Then the Windows key 1, then automatically taskbar in the open the your running option. Then Windows 2 automatically remove automatically software in the running. Okay, this is the in day by day and 1 to 9 the open your apps the taskbar. Okay, then function number 5, Windows key plus left right arrow arrange the on light left right help of the skin. Then Windows key plus left up right, then left up right, left on right, and the small and big size, then left right rise and small or big. Okay, this is the your function. This is the your function mode. Then function number 6, Control plus Alt plus Tab. Control plus Alt plus Tab. This is the function number. The running all the apps. This is the showing this face. Okay, this is the running option. Then function number 7, Control plus Shift plus ES. Control plus Shift plus ES, the running the task manager. The task manager open the your RAM, performance and apps storage status and user details. Is the running and processor in the gigabytes and the running, then KB and users and the Wi-Fi and the this is the running option. This is the and RAM and automatically caused by the sinew. Okay, then function number 8, Windows plus E. Windows plus E automatically and open the file manager. Open the file manager, any file manager. This is the all Windows plus E. This is the option. Then function number 9, Windows plus Windows plus automatically is the minimize the magnifier software. The magnifier apps, the minus, then plus, then minus, then plus, then plus, then minus. This is the magnifier software apps. Okay, then function number 10, Windows plus print scan taskbar screenshot. This is the in everybody now and this and shortcut key. Then Windows key plus print scan the automatically screenshot then as a save file. Okay, Then function number 11, Windows plus A, the notification center. Windows plus A, automatic notification and center. Windows security, then manage notification in this option. Okay. Then function number 12, then Windows plus I, open the city. Open the setting. Windows plus I, open your computer and setting option. Then then function number 13, Windows plus L, automatically and computer and the log is small. Then Windows plus L, lock your profile, then lock your automatically desktop mode. So friends, no more today. दूसरा still subscribe my channel. Please subscribe very quickly and bell icon button. Stay to and stay with us this kinds of new video. But inshallah, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum. Rahmatullah.